This video I will explain, should each microservice have its own table or its own database? The golden rule in microservices is database per service. In a microservices system, each microservice should control its own data. This means other services must not directly access its database. This rule keeps services independent, easy to scale, and easy to change. Now the main question. Option 1. Separate database for each microservice. Option 2. One database with separate tables for each microservice. Which one is correct? The answer is both are possible. But the idea of ownership is more important than the physical database. Option 1. Each microservice has its own database. What this means? Each service has its own database and its own tables. For example, user service has UserDB, order service has OrderDB, product service has ProductDB. Benefits: full independence, no accidental data access, easy to scale each service separately, and you can even use different database types. For example, user service can use DynamoDB, order service can use RDS. Option 2. One database, separate tables for each microservice. What this means? There is one database, but user service only uses user table. Order service only uses order table, and no service touches another service's table. This is also valid if you strictly follow no cross table direct access. Now we will see what is not allowed. Order service directly reading user table. Multiple services sharing the same tables. This creates a tight coupling, deployment problems, and scaling issues. Now we will see the real world example of a food delivery app. It has microservices like customer service, restaurant service, and order service. Correct design is customer service as customer table, restaurant service as restaurant table, order service as order table. Each service uses only its own data, talks to others through APIs, not database access. So the conclusion is each microservice should have its own data storage that only it controls, whether that its own database or its own dedicated tables. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.